Hey, beautiful! Today we're having another relaxing pumping session together using my manual breast pump. Take a moment to get comfortable and let's start. I hope this little video makes your day feel a bit softer. I begin with soft, quick pumps to encourage letdown. I don't use a lot of pressure, just gentle squeezes while staying relaxed. After the milk starts flowing, I naturally switch to slower, deeper pumps. I like keeping a steady rhythm instead of pumping as fast as possible. For me, staying calm works much better than rushing. I keep pumping until the flow becomes light and steady. Then I know this side is finished. Every session looks a little different, and that's completely normal. And here's today's milk. I'm always thankful for every little drop, and I'm really happy with today's result. Thank you so much for keeping me company today. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to take care of yourself, drink some water, and I'll see you in my next video.
Are you worried that you're not producing enough breast milk? You're not alone. Many new mothers experience concerns about their milk supply, especially during the first few weeks after giving birth. The good news is that in many cases, using a breast pump correctly can help stimulate milk production and build a healthy milk supply. In this video, we'll explain how to increase breast milk supply using a breast pump, the best pumping schedule, what power pumping is, why hydration matters, and which foods may support healthy lactation. Let's get started. First, understand how milk supply works. Breast milk production works on a simple principle. The more milk that is removed from the breasts, the more milk your body is encouraged to produce. When your baby nurses or you use a breast pump, your brain releases hormones called prolactin and oxytocin. Prolactin helps make milk, while oxytocin triggers the letdown reflex, allowing milk to flow. If milk stays in the breasts for long periods, your body may receive the signal to slow down production. That's why frequent and effective milk removal is one of the best ways to support your supply. Second, follow a consistent pumping schedule. Consistency is one of the biggest keys to increasing milk production. If you're exclusively pumping, aim to pump about 8 to 12 times in a 24-hour period, especially during your baby's first few months. Each pumping session should usually last around 15 to 20 minutes, or continue for a couple of minutes after milk stops flowing. Avoid waiting until your breasts feel overly full. Pumping regularly sends a stronger message to your body that more milk is needed. Many mothers find it helpful to pump every 2 to 3 hours during the day and at least once during the night, since prolactin levels are often higher overnight.